from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Central North Carolina, Cumberland County in central North Carolina, Wake County in central North Carolina, Johnston County in central North Carolina, East Central Hope County in central North Carolina, Franklin County in central North Carolina, Person County in central North Carolina, Southwestern Wayne County in central North Carolina, Western Warren County in central North Carolina, Southwestern Nash County in central North Carolina, Eastern Orange County in central North Carolina, Sampson County in central North Carolina, Granville County in central North Carolina, Durham County in central North Carolina, Eastern Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Alma to near Roxborough to near Lillington to near Robeson Community College, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Fayetteville, Cary, Chapel Hill, Henderson, Smithfield, Clinton, Oxford, and Roxborough. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 between mile markers 105 and 41. Interstate 85 between mile markers 168 and 233. Interstate 40 between mile markers 268 and 351. Interstate 440 between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 540 between mile markers 0 and 24. US 1 between mile markers 83 and 101. North Carolina Highway 264 between mile markers 20 and 29. The Durham Freeway between And now taking a look at the forecast for the local area.